Good evening everyone. This is Ajit Chand Bhandari representing economicnerd.blogspot.com. Today we are going to do technical analysis of HDFC Bank and I have picked some stocks for you. And the date today is 5th May 2020 and the time of recording is 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Risk disclosure. We are not SEBI registered analyst. Views expressed here are for our record purposes only. Please consult your personal financial advisor before investing. We are not responsible for your financial gains or losses whatsoever. We have selected HDFC Bank out of these instruments for you to trade for tomorrow. The instruments are all in equities and the instruments are Bajaj Auto with current market price of 2422.80, Balkrishna Industries with current market price of 888.45, Bata India with current market price of 1265.25, Biocon with current market price of 349.20, DLF with current market price of 126.80, Equitas with a current market price of 47.80, Glenmark with a current market price of 324.80, HDFC Bank with current market price of 911.45, ICICI Bank with current market price of 330.85, Aura Pharma with current market price of 631.60, Humans India with current market price of 366.75 and Escorts with a current market price of 692.35. I have mentioned entry levels, stop loss, target 1, target 2 and target 3 is an extreme target. Please bear in mind. We are expecting these stocks also to crack tomorrow. As we had said yesterday, a bank Nifty had taken our target and has just closed 15 points above it. The reason we have taken HDFC Bank is HDFC Bank moves Bank Nifty. So we are going to have a very good bearish trend tomorrow. Now technical view on HDFC Bank. We have taken HDFC Bank day chart. We are expecting a gap down in HDFC Bank and the current market price of HDFC Bank is at 911.45. We are expecting bearish trend to continue for some more days. We are expecting it to come down to 901.38 levels and if it stays below this, we may soon see another bloodbath. Please remember, HDFC Bank moves Bank Nifty. Parabolic SAR and stochastics are giving bearish trend in 4-hour, day and week time frames also. As you can see, this is HDFC Bank day chart. As usual, we have taken two indicators, parabolic SAR and stochastics, and they very clearly suggest a bearish trend. Parabolic SAR has just gone above the candles and stochastics is yet to reach its 20 level. Entry, stop loss and targets. Current market price at 911.45. Sell below 911. Stop loss at 915.30. Target 1 at 905.58. Target 2 at 901.77 and if it stays below 901.38 tomorrow, then expect a bloodbath. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Please do subscribe if you are new to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get updates every time we update our YouTube channel. If you want us to do any analysis for you on any other instrument other than what we are mentioning here regularly, please do put it in comment box. We'll try our best to get it done for you. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.